How to hide your activity status on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you don't want people to know that you are online even if you are active on Reddit? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to hide your activity status. Let's dive right in. Open up your Reddit app and then head over to the profile in the bottom right corner. Now go to the three lines in the top right and then you can see online status. Just tap on it to toggle it off. And that's it. That's how you hide your activity status on your Reddit app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.